Guess what?
1 hour later.
1 hour later, we did a thing. And let's just say that the Viper is completely undressed. There's nudity involved in this. So I'm about to turn this over and let y'all see how naked my engine is. Bam. We out here. Nips out on both sides. So we're about to pull the lifters out since we're already here, and you guessed it, we're about to pull the cam out. So it's crazy how this snowballed into pulling the Evo apart and needing a gasket. So we're stopped on that, but that didn't stop the party. We already know we got parts coming. So Todd at ANC Performance got us a cam on the way. We have a adjustable timing gear and chain. We got a block off plate. We got some new push rods coming. We got everything coming to get this top end right. And we have finally solved the problem of why the Viper was ticking at TX2K. So looks like we had a bent valve right here. He's going to shine the light, and I'll show this to you. So look, we got light coming through the valve. So that valve is bent, got nicked by one of the pistons over here. Piston looks to be okay. Look like it, of course, self-clearanced itself, but here you go. So here on what looks like number 1, you can see right there in the top right hand corner, it got nicked. So that looks too bad. I mean, it's literally like not even an 1/8 inch deep. So, but nicked it good enough to where it knocked that intake valve out. So lost a little compression right there, and that was the reason why the Motec was telling us that cylinder was cold or misfiring. So found that out. Now we can get it fixed. Probably going to get us some rare valve train to put back in there, and we're going to call it a day on the head. So we're going to get these heads hot tank clean, everything done up. You know, we're not going to half-ass anything. Everything's going to be right. So gonna have that done, and of course we're doing all this again in the most short period of time possible. We always find our Viper project like this. We got 10 days again, so we're gonna do another 10-day build on it. And we're gonna have
both cars
on both cars. So not just one car this time, on both cars. So 2 cars, 10 days running, making power, ready to go kick some ass in North Carolina. And I hope they're ready. So Debo has a race with a supercharged SRT8 first gen Jeep. Don't quite know how much power he's making. He says stock motor, and we agreed on the race. It's going to be a street he picks in North Carolina, but he's going to be on street tires and on the foot brake. So I believe that'd be a good run, or not, because you know how Debo get down. It's gonna get real, and it's definitely gonna be real for what we have in store for the car here coming up soon this week. So this week we are getting some very nice parts in for the car, and we are going to be as ready as possible for Al Boogie's race. So, and you guessed it. So we're going back down there with Boogie again. Gonna be North Carolina on the 9th and the 10th in Jacksonville. So be at the dragway down there and in them streets, and the whole crew's gonna be there. All the film crew's gonna be there. I have Mark there, and we're gonna have the cars in the pits. Cars will be in Al Boogie's pits. So we are coming, stacker, trailer, and all. It is going to be a show. We are not playing, as you can see. We're pulling all this stuff apart. We're getting everything fresh and ready to go, and both cars are coming to kick some ass. So, been thinking about it. You know, Debo has a name. What should we name the Viper? drop that in the comments below. We might pick somebody's comment below for a name for the Viper, because we just haven't quite figured that out yet. We've come across a few names, thought about it, but give us a name. And if we find the best name, I'll send you a shirt, and we might make shirts with the name that you make on here and put the car on there. So make it interesting. Spam the comments. I don't care how ridiculous it is. Even if you come up with something stupid, we'll put it on the license plate maybe. So let's make it fun. So we're gonna pull these lifters out. We're gonna pull the cam out, and I may show you a little clip here after we get all that stuff out so we can get on up out of here. Otherwise we will stay another hour and another hour, and the next thing you know, we'll have a bare engine block and we'll be ordering billet internals. So if we stay here any longer, it's just gonna get more expensive. Do you agree, Mark?
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. What if we do this? We already in here.
We already in here.
Let's go ahead and do this too.
This has been happening all night. So I've been on the internet and hitting that order now button, and it is yeah, it's tough out here. But yeah, we're at a place right now in the motor to where we really could do whatever we want to do. Oil pan's off, the whole top end is off. If I wanted to stick rods and pistons in this thing, I can. I'm right here. I'm already putting the cam in it. I mean, what more can I do but that? And we do have some people in our corner that can get us rods and pistons. So
anything is possible.
Anything is possible right now. So it's like, do I want to do it? Maybe.
Question is, can it get here within the next 10 days?
Yeah, but if that stuff can get here really quick, y'all, you know we gonna send it. So if it can get here pretty quick, relatively quick for us to knock this out, man, that's gonna be crazy. So we'll have a forge internal Viper ready to go with all the boost and all the nitrous and all the horsepowers and all the freedoms coming out the side. Can't wait. So
We just gotta pull the bolts off the cam.
Hey. And it's coming on up out of there. So be right back with y'all in a second. Don't want to make this an extra long video, but it's probably going to be one because I hadn't seen you guys in a while. I miss you. We don't upload on YouTube a lot anymore because we're just so far out of the way and out of touch with things on the big production side of the media crew. But we plan to come back, and we're going to come back strong, and I'm going to continue uploading videos, hopefully as long as I have time. And if you guys see us at the track, holler at me. You know, we're all friendly out here, so we'd love to see you guys. So we're going to go ahead and get this cam out, and I'll be right back. Here we go. Let's get this cam out of here. First load. A little rotation. Get this out. More rotation. Trying to keep it steady, coming through all the cam bearings. Coming up a little bit more. There we go. Man, this is like the longest cam on earth. I'm almost running out of room. Shit, I think I'm out of room. Somebody gotta pull this radiator. Round 2. Fight. Alright. Trying to get this hog ass cam out one more time. There we go. I can feel the end of this thing. I think I'm good. Yatta! Boy, that's a big stick. she said. But here is the cam, and it does look good. This thing looks brand new. So definitely didn't get a lot of use out of that. But we're definitely going to get a lot of use out of the next one, which is going to be bigger than this one. So tight fit coming soon. All right, so we're finally calling it a night. For real this time, for real. So calling it a night. We're at the point on the Viper where we got everything torn down, ready to go. So we're waiting on parts at this point, and same thing for the Evo. So as soon as we get stuff in, reassembly will happen quickly. So see you guys in the next one.